Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit your videos using your phone. I'm not sure if like an iPhone can have this app or whatever, but I'm using an Android, so I'll just tell you this is the app to go to when you want to like edit your videos, and it's the Power Director. So I'm just going to click on that, and this is where it takes you. And when you reach on this page, you just like name your project. So maybe let me just name it project, and you can actually choose the ratio. This 16:9 is like the Instagram one, 9:16 I'm not sure, whatever, I can just tell by the shape, but let me just go with this one, 16:9, because it's what most people use for the videos, for the whatever. And this is where it takes you. So basically this is where you choose your videos. On where the blue mark is, that is where you choose your video. If you want to start your video with that picture, maybe this is where you start. You click on the image. If it's music you want to add, the music is what plays on the background. Whatever music you want to put, that's where you click. So where the blue icon is where you add all those things. On this, the second one, the one that has the blue, is where you like, let's say if you want to put an image over the video, this is where you go. Where you can put text where the T is. If you want to add a video on top of the video that you're actually editing, this is where you go. If you want to add an image, that's where you go. And yeah, so let me just pick a picture. Let's say, okay, I usually start with the intro, so let's just start with the intro. I think this is where it is. I don't really know where it is. Where is it? Oh, this is where it is, text animation maker. And I'll just take this one and I'll add it there. Then I'll maybe go to the picture that I want to like put, and let's maybe take this one. And then for the video, I'm just going to take like a small video because it's only for demonstration, so that's what we'll do. Camera, I'll take this one that's 29 seconds, and yeah, so let's play it and you guys will see. This is what it looks like. Where you see the like something like a cat and like a white thing, wherever there is the white thing, this is where like it cuts. Like this is one clip, that's one clip. This one, if you click on that, like that oh my god, I'm so sorry, I'm not so good at explaining myself, but if you click on that, whatever I've clicked, whatever is highlighted in green, where the blue whatever is, you can get the transitions that you want, and you can actually choose what transition you want. If you want to have like a preview of what the transition looks like, you just play, and this is what it will look like when you put it on your video. So yeah, it's really good because it actually shows you guys what your transition will look like. So maybe let's put the blur here, and like maybe the fade here, and then I'll just show you guys what it looks like. I want to go like in depth because I was really looking for like a video that actually explains everything about editing on your mobile, but none of it was really like, it didn't really explain or rather expound on what I'm supposed to do. So that's what I'm here to do for you guys. And what else have we not done? I'll show you the basics of editing the video. The first thing you want to know, you guys, is like how to like separate a clip or like choose a clip. You just click on it, and when you click on it, you see there's like a blue whatever that highlights it. And if you want to like edit it, that's what you do. So let me just show you guys. For the split is like, it's like just splitting. Like, let me just show you guys. So much gains for watching this. Let's say if I split here, you see it will like separate this part of the video and this part. So there's this part. If maybe you wanted to add like something on this, so much gains for watching this. That's what it will do. And the other part, it's like just basically choosing a part that you want to do something to, and that's the most important thing that you need to know about it. For the volume, you can maybe make it less or more, whatever you want. You'll just notice that the sound is down, as you can see. For a filter, of course you know what a filter is. I'll just show you. And that's what it does. And if you want to like go back, like remove whatever you have done, you just click on this backward arrow and it will remove the effect of what you have done. For adjustment, maybe if you want to add the brightness or reduce it and all that, the contrasts, that's where you get it. Speed, if you want to like reduce the speed, maybe let's take it there and you'll just see what it does. See how slowly it goes. If you want to increase the speed, that's what it does. So that's for the speed. If you maybe like, you know, talk a lot, or you want to, there's a part that you really don't want people to watch, or you're trying to cut it short and you don't really want to remove that part, that's what you do. This effect, I'm really not sure, but you can actually do it, whatever you can actually try it, and that's what it does. I'll just remove that. And pan and zoom. So on this pan and zoom, what you do, you click on the custom motion. The pan and zoom is like where you actually bring your face like it's coming nearer to the camera, and then it starts from here, and we want to like bring it like our face very close to the camera. So you just do this. It's like you're cropping it out. Just bring it closer by pinching on the picture, and let's play this. As you can see, it's like coming from really far closer. As you can see, the camera is just, it's like you're moving the camera towards your face, but you're not actually holding the camera, the effect. So yeah, just remove that. Maybe if you want to crop, just pinch. You've cropped, yeah, as you can see. you maybe want to rotate, all that. This is actually self-explanatory, so you understand. But the thing that you really want to know, like what you really want to know, is how to split it. The split is it's the most important thing you need to know about this app. You just like let's say, what do you want to do? Maybe if you want to cut a certain part, you click on that video. If it's only one video, if you put together many videos or a picture or just one video, you click on that video as I have clicked as I showed you guys. And maybe if I want to cut it to that part where the blue is, just split it, and I'll just show you. So you delete that part, and when you delete, see, let me just show you. So that's it. You've actually cut. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope I was helpful. I hope you were able to understand, although I'm like really not good at explaining things, but I hope you understood it, and I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye.